Hello, this is my 20-inch 2-speed Westinghouse box fan. It's model number AR20-1. This is the one with the switch on top instead of on the side. I got this in, I think, 2016 or so in a trade with a fellow collector. He's also in the Facebook groups and stuff. But yeah, I was not in the fan groups and stuff back then, so I was selling fans and stuff through Craigslist. And I met this dude through Craigslist, and it turns out he was a fellow collector as well. So, and actually, the week prior, or like a couple weeks prior, I saw this box fan on eBay, and I kind of wanted it. It was a pretty good price and stuff. And lo and behold, that dude also has a channel, and he posted a video of this exact fan on there. And yeah, so that was interesting. And so I asked him about it, and he said, "Yeah, I really don't like that fan because it's got reverse pitch blades, and it doesn't it performs very weird. It throws the air everywhere." Which it does. This is a very weird performing box fan. And it was all rusty. He was thinking of like painting in it and stuff, but I cleaned it up with some steel wool and WD. It cleaned up pretty well compared to what it was, covered in sawdust and stuff. I believe this is the original handle. I've seen many other examples online with the same exact handle. Obviously, the knob's not original. He actually put a Lakewood knob on it, which I used on another fan. Funny enough, when we did the trade, he took down the video, which is kind of interesting, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, I just got a Honeywell knob on here. I know it's backwards, and I drew a line on it. I think I was like 15, 16 when we did the trade. So the back of the paint on this bearing cover thing flaked off, so I just took the rest of it off, put a new wire on it. I made these little clips to hold the wire in place because the wires were just kind of hanging there. I just put a piece of electrical tape to hold that one out of the way. And this heatsink plate thing that's on the motor, the paint was all flaked off of that too, and rather than color match it with the rest of the cabinet, I just painted it black to kind of match the badge and the cord and what would be the original knob. Did that, but at some point, because I was young and kind of stupid, I bent the blades out of shape to try to make it perform a little better. I don't know if you can see the creases in there, but yeah, I tried to profile the blades to make it throw air more like an air circulator than what it is here. And I don't know if you can see, but I kind of bent them back to try to make it as, you know, as it was, as I could possibly make it. but the creases are still there, unfortunately. So I regret doing that, but it is what it is now. But anyways, let's go with the demonstration. Yeah, that's good enough. Start on low. It's kind of hard to see because the letters are embossed and they're painted over the same color. I will say this fan runs really good. But yeah, in the trade, I traded 4 other fans. I traded a 2151 Galaxy, or is it 2150? Whatever the 16-inch one is, the amber, but it was the older amber one with the kind of skinnier blades. Not really skinny, but the not so pointed ones. That was a beautiful fan. That fan ran awesome. That thing is basically a high velocity fan that oscillated. I kind of miss that fan. I might get another one of these days. Yeah, there's low speed. High speed. It moves a ton of air, but it just throws it everywhere. But it's a really cool box fan. I love the look. I love the color. The hub looks kind of cool. Spins down very good. Those bearings hold a pretty good amount of oil. Yeah, I wire wheeled the guards. I once had a different handle on it at one point, but I put the original one back on it. Yeah. I just think that's just the coolest backside of a box fan I've ever seen. I think all of them should have shipped like that. That looks really cool. Yeah, I don't know what this weird split in the guard is about, but both guards have it. Both the guards have it. I don't know why. Maybe it's to, I don't know, if the cabinet is like not, if the cabinet's not straight or something, the guards need more room to move or something. I don't know. It's just kind of weird. But anyways, that's my 20-inch Westinghouse box fan. Thanks for watching.